Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to text to video in Google Vids. Go to docs.google.com/videos and open up the new video by starting a new video by clicking on this plus icon right here. Choose if you want landscape, portrait or square. I want landscape and choose blank width. Now go to video right here and click on create from scratch. Now simply describe your 8-second video. You can add ingredients such as brand images, characters and more. So just describe it. So let's say Elon Musk working in Tesla. Now you can add ingredients right here. So you can add up to 3 images to use as ingredients in your video. I will not do that for this tutorial. Click on generate. And as you can see, I have to change my prompt a little because it is not good for terms and service. And this is the video. You can insert it to your sequence just by clicking on this insert button right here. And now you can play it. So as you can see, it did a really great job. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.